Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a logo for your business on Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, you're going to tap on the search bar. And this is where you're going to type in business logo. So you are going to type it in the search bar right here and tap on enter. After you have done that, you can see that you're provided with over 20,000 different templates you can choose from. Keep in mind that some of the templates you will see a crown below it. That means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But the reason why I recommend that you use one of the templates is with these templates, even as a complete beginner that does not have any experience in designing or so on, you'll be able to create a professional looking logo. And that is what you want for your business, as this is what a lot of professionals that will be paying a lot of money to create a logo for us is using. So you can scroll down, and whether you'd like a logo with a pic or icon like this, you can choose that. Or if you would like a logo that strictly uses text, you could choose that template. So you have different options that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these options to your liking. So let's say, for example, I'm going in the cake niche and I want to use this logo for example's sake. I can select this logo, then tap on customize this template. After I've selected customize this template, I'll be redirected to the new page. And all you'll need to do is select the text that is currently there. Then from here, you could type in your business name for example's sake. So let's say I were to add simple answers. After I've added that, you can see right here, I could put in my own punchline right here if I wanted to. I could also change the image. So to change the image, all I would need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and I could choose to upload an image by selecting uploads, or I could tap on elements. Then I'm going to type in cake for example's sake, then select graphics. After selecting graphics, I could scroll down and I could select one of these cakes for example. So let's say I were to delete that and use this cake instead. All I would need to do is drag and place the cake. So no, I don't like that color. So let's say this one. And you could drag and place the cake as you can see right here. So that's how you'll be able to add it. After you have done that, all you need to do now, you could go over to the top right hand corner and select share. And by the way, if you would like to change the color of the text, you can select the text, then tap on the capital A from the top navigation bar. And then from there, you could change the color of the text to whatever you want from the left hand menu option. So for example, if I were to select yellow, you can see how it looks, or so on. So we're going to tap on share, then we'll select download, then you'll tap on download right here, and that's it. You now have your logo. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.